My name is Caden, and I'm a computer engineer by trade, working full-time as a software developer. I've always enjoyed doing DIY projects, and after my channel started to get popular over my whole home audio projects, I decided to make this episode series. So come along this journey as I show you from start to finish how I'm installing whole home audio into my existing 2-story house. So I drilled another hole because I need to fit a lot of cable through these holes. So I just use my 3/4 inch masonry bit, and then when I'm done, I'll probably just silicone the holes up. But it will run along, I think, probably along these, and they'll be zip tied together. They'll look nice, and then we'll go into this little building, which is my golf cart shed, which will then be able to go up into the attic. So I use my standard long wood drill bit because I do need to make it that 3/4 of an inch, but I want to see if this is gonna work where I drilled this. All right, so I'm in my little shed here, and if you look closely, right there, you can see the drill bits coming out of the kind of like the wood baseboard, whatever you'd want to call it. So I think that'll work. I can't really come up too much higher because of that gray box, but this should work. So it's a nice day out today, so I've been putting up these outdoor speakers, and I don't think I'm going to, well, yeah, I'll probably put them up, but I wanted to show how they're really nice to put up because all you have to do is take the bracket off, and I got one up in that corner down there, but all you have to do is take that bracket off, mount the bracket first, and then put the speaker on it. And what's nice about these is that the little speaker connector, it comes off, and so you can see right here, this is nice because then while the speaker is mounted, then you can screw the speaker wire into that first, so you can work with it without having to hold like a, you know, this 6-pound speaker. So you can put it on that first, and then all you gotta do is just simply plug it in. So these are really cool.